Your accurate forecast from Adam Bell starts now with Storm Tracker weather on Montana's news station.
Well, welcome back. The weather has been cooperating the last couple of days for fighting fires. Unfortunately, as we head out of the weekend, not going to be the case. National Weather Service already putting out a fire weather watch for critical fire weather conditions Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening for gusty winds and the combination of low relative humidities along with hot temperatures still out there, all going to be spelling some very bad opportunities for fires to rapidly grow and for new fires to start as well. Further to the east, including out toward Billings and Park County, we have a red flag warning already in effect. This is from noon until midnight on Sunday for the same conditions: strong winds, low relative humidity, very bad conditions for rapidly growing fires possible late into the weekend. Across southwest Montana, we're seeing much stronger winds today than we saw yesterday, which allowed a lot of crews to get a hold on a lot of those fires, especially the Bear Trap 2, up to 57% contained yesterday. That's a lot of it was because the weather cooperating. Not so much today, but tomorrow we will see a very similar day what we saw today in terms of calmer conditions and a little bit drier weather as well. 100 degrees in Miles City. They were at 111 earlier in the week, setting an all-time high for the city. 70s and 80s for most of southwest Montana. Low 90s even in Bozeman today. So a very comfortable day, to say the least, across the region. As we look at the big picture, satellite and radar composite-wise across the state, a line of some scattered light showers. A lot of this not even making it to the ground, but popping up on radar. Plenty of clouds will be seen around, though, as we move through the rest of the evening hours into the overnight hours, but nothing more than that. Let's take a step outside with our First Interstate Bank iCam. You can see some smoke along the hills. I believe this is the Pony Fire out there in the distance there. Some shaking of the camera, though, with the wind out there. That is the concern for the evening hours tonight, for those stronger winds still possibly making things a little bit worse for firefighters today. Numbers-wise, 89 degrees under a partly cloudy sky over Bozeman Yellowstone International, but that strong northwesterly wind, 15 miles per hour, humidity at only 11%, dew point down to the upper 20s, so very dry air out there as we reach into the low 90s this afternoon. By the way, the record high today, 100 degrees over in Bozeman. Sunny and breezy over in the mining city, 80 degrees current temperature. West wind, though, but blowing it at 15, gusting to 22 miles per hour. So still strong winds associated with this weak upper-level wave as it moves through. Another stronger disturbance still moving onshore right now will eventually be moving through late Sunday into Monday, bringing us gusty and erratic winds, a chance for some dry thunderstorms, and yes, of course, relative humidity pretty dry as well. As we step forward in the future cast, still watching some clouds moving into northwestern Montana. The storm system does weaken as it moves over the Rockies, or not over the Rockies, over the Cascades, but then it moves into the Intermountain West, and we have a chance for some clouds to spill into southwestern Montana late Saturday into Sunday. Better chance for some showers, though, Sunday afternoon. Enough instability in the atmosphere could potentially give us some scattered showers and storms. Overnight tonight, though, expect a clear, comfortable evening. Light winds. We're looking at the skies beginning to clear out overnight tonight, getting into the mid-80s tomorrow. Very comfortable, if not a little bit warm for many of us tomorrow afternoon. In the Gallatin Valley, also looking at some very comfortable numbers tonight, dropping down to the 40s, even up in the mountains as well. And as we jump to the upper 90s, upper 80s tomorrow, low 90s out toward Belgrade, very warm day again tomorrow. As we jump into the 7-day forecast, Sunday and Monday is the best chance for those afternoon showers and storms. 4th of July, both in Bozeman and in Butte, picture-perfect setup. A great day, warm start to the day, upper 40s, and we're going to have a picture-perfect start as well, mid-80s.
Nice. I'll tell you though, I've been covering the fires, and when you're wearing the big jumpsuits and all that stuff, it gets very hot.
I can imagine so.
And I'm thinking the firefighters are even hotter.
Oh my goodness, yes.
Of course, that's not the only reason she stays in such good shape. We're going to show you right after this.